Posting an announcement in a Facebook group is a great way to share important updates or information to members. So to begin, you're going to log in your Facebook account and navigate to the group where you want to post the announcement. On the group page, you're going to find the option to create a new post in the text box at the top of the feed. Type your message, ensuring it's clear and concise. All right. Now, to mark your post as an announcement, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the post box, which opens a menu with several options. From this menu, select Mark as Announcement. This will highlight the post, making it stand out at the top of the group feed so all the members can easily see it. Now, once you've written your post and marked it as an announcement, click Post to share it with the group. Admins and moderators can also remove the announcement status anytime if it's no longer relevant or needs updating. Additionally, you can edit the post or add links, images, or files to make it more informative. All right? Now, remember, announcements are a great tool for sharing group rules, events, or other critical information, ensuring it catches members' attention and stays visible for a while. All right? Let me know if this helped.